Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Subaru Legacy 2.5i Special Edition. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter H4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Subaru has less than 125,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger.